All right, we are lucky enough to be joined again today by Dave Eckert. Dave is with Forney Industries. If you come to the show, you know Dave. Dave, when we had the chance to speak at the SMC in Dallas, you had just launched some new products. So can you tell us about how those new products are being received and any feedback you've gotten from customers?
Yeah, excellent question. Late last year, we launched our 190 AC/DC MP and our 250 MP products. Both are doing fantastic in the market. Distributor reception, particularly of the 190 AC/DC MP, has been phenomenal. That machine being not only a hot category, expanding AC TIG into a multi-process machine gives the distributor now a full complement in one machine of process capabilities. And again, we're seeing outstanding results.
Perfect. So when we spoke last time, I know you had a slew of things coming out. You said you got one right around the corner. Can you explain to us what you got?
Again, we're constantly bringing new products to the market, but at last month's FABTECH show, we launched or introduced our refresh of our 272 MIG, which is a transformer-based machine produced in Italy. This particular machine has dual MIG capabilities. That is, you can run the MIG process as well as a spool gun, literally by just hitting a trigger and switching back and forth. That product will be available for right now, we'll say at the end of the year, but as we transition into 2026, we'll actually have another product in the 211 MIG that comes out as well. So two brand new refreshed products in older technology, being transformer-based machines, but ones that your end users are demanding.
Perfect. Well, keep your eyes out for those. Keep your eyes on the GAWDA Connection. We'll announce it when they come out. Dave, when we were talking off camera, you said that there was maybe a little bit of a misconception about Forney that you kind of wanted to address within GAWDA and their distributor members.
Sure. Well, we're a 93-year-old company. We're an independent family business. Third generation runs it. Fourth generation's active in the business as well. My message to the welding distributor is we have solutions that are all about, one, augmenting your existing business, two, doing so very profitably. And that is, we bring solutions with profitability built in and also proven solutions that fit your business. You don't have to be worried about the boomerang effect. And then we're there in the long term to support you with your customers.
Perfect. Well, there you have it. If you have any questions, make sure to reach out to Dave today. We'll put his contact information in the description below. And Dave, as always, appreciate it, buddy.
Thank you for your support.